Happy birthday, Isaiah! Isaiah, happy birthday! Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Huwag mo na mag-aasawa. Marami na akong utang sa'yo. Pag pwede na kami petisyonin mo kami ha, para makarating kami dyan. Miss you! Love you!
Happy birthday, Isaiah! Wishing you good health tsaka success in life. Yun lang. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello, Isaiah. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo in life. At saka, lagi kayo mag-iingat ni Mami dyan sa Canada. And, miss na namin kayo. See you soon.
Hi, Isaiah. Utoy, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, of course. Wish ko na maging healthy kayo palagi ng mami mo. Utoy, galingan mo sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa. Of course, I wish na maging successful ka in the future. Hiling ko lang sa'yo, alagaan mo lagi si mami ha. Always remember na andito lang kami for you and for your mommy. So, kami ay family nyo. Love na love namin kayo. Happy birthday ulit, Utoy. Love you.
Hi Seya, happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss ko na kayo ni tita and God bless always. Yan lang. More birthdays to come.
Utoy Isaiah, happy birthday. Wish you more birthday and blessings to come. Mag-aaral mabuti at mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan ng mami mo. God bless. I love you.
Hello, Utoy! Una sa lahat, happy birthday sa'yo. At ang hiling ko lang sa'yo ay lagi mong aalagaan ang sarili mo at lalong-lalo na si mami mo. Dahil alam mo naman kung gaano kanyan kamahal. Yun lang at palagi kayong mag-iingat yan.
Happy birthday, Isaiah. You know you are really a jewel to your parents. I am praying that you continuously make them proud, especially my best friend, Monica. So I am really wishing you all the best, Iho. I missed you. I miss you just like my bestie. Happy birthday once again.
I know it's your birthday, pero siya yung my best gift in life, and that's you. I know she's very grateful and fortunate to have you as her child kasi sobrang bait mo, sobrang matured and maaasahan. May you achieve all your dreams in life. So, I hope you'll enjoy your day with your mommy. It'll be different because this is the first birthday that you're away from the Philippines. Mag-enjoy ka na lang at mag-tour dyan. And I hope to see you there soon with mommy. Mag-iingat kayo dyan parati. Love na love ko kayo. I may be far, but I'm just one beep away.
Ito pa yung inaanak, Isaiah, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ng ninong ay good health para sa'yo at magandang career ahead of you. Lagi mo tatandaan, always listen to mommy and be safe always.
Hello, Isaiah. Happy birthday. And good luck sa ACADS mo and may all your dreams came true. And ingat kayo palagi ni tita. Miss na namin kayo.
Hello, Isaiah. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. The happiness and all the blessings in life. Sana lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad. And mag-iingat ka lagi. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti. And enjoy your day. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Hello, Saya. Yan. Happy birthday. Mag-aaral ka lagi dyan ng mabuti. At mag-iingat kayo palagi ni tita. See you soon. Malay mo next year, nandiyan kami ni Bianx. Ayun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo. Yan. Size 8 si Kuya Jok sa Jordan 1. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby! Ay, hindi na pala baby. Happy birthday, Isaiah! So today, as you celebrate your birthday, you may be filled with joy and full of surprises. And I pray that you may continue to be a good child to Ma'am Mitch and continue to protect her. I pray that you may continue to achieve your dreams and always remember na nandito lang si ate. And love! Happy birthday ulit! Miss you!
Happy birthday, Isaiah. More birthdays to come. Pakabait ka dyan, ha. Alagaan mo lagi ang mami mo. See you soon dito sa Pilipinas.
Happy birthday, Isaiah!
Ingat kayo palagi.
Dala na ng girlfriend si Mami. Bye-bye!
Hi, Bunsoy! Happy birthday! Ay, happy first birthday in Canada. So, stay humble as you are and always be happy. Happy birthday!
Ayan. To you, Isaiah. Happy birthday to you. And may God bless you always. More birthdays and blessings to come. Ingat kayo palagi ni Mami. And then, nandito lang kami lagi para supportahan kayo by praying, of course. Lagi kayong mag-iingat ni Mami. Ha? We are so happy na naandyan kayo. Bye-bye. God bless you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Isaiah. Happy birthday, Isaiah. Have a great day.
Sa Isaiah. Yan sa mga kaibigan ko ng junior high. Grade 8 lagi ako napunta pa sa classroom nila. May pagkwentuhan lang sa nila eh. Masaya ko usap si Isaiah eh. Happy birthday, Isaiah. Uwi ka na tol, di ka pa linalamig di yan.
So yun na nga, si Isaiah ay joker, masiyahin at madaling pakasamahan. Marami pa iba. Wishing you a happy birthday.
Si Isaiah ay isa sa pinakamabait na tao na naalala ko. Siya ay madaling kausap. Siya ay isang comedian. I wish you all the love and support, pare.
Yo, Isaiah, happy birthday. Palibre naman ang express pass.
Hey Isaiah, fellow Furina enjoyer here. Sana matalo lahat ng 50-50 mo. Anyways, happy birthday and more Furina este. More birthdays to come. Good luck sa C6.
So, happy birthday, Isaiah. Kamusta ang Canada? Sana all. Marami bang white people dyan? Pa-picture na kasi, hindi pa ako nakakita. Sana all.
Happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan. Happy na. Birthday mo pa. Tagal ka na namin inaantay dito, Isaiah. Umuwi ka na kaya. Miss na kita. Miss na kita.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything.
Hello? Yan. Hinig mo ako? Alam ko, baka pasimula ata ng mga yun. Dear Isaiah. Anong dear? Ano ga? Hello? Kumusta? Laki-laki mo na. Hindi ka na maliit. Diyos ko, Isaiah. Naku, umuwi ka naman. Tayo ay magpapanding. Outing. So, baka kami namimiss mo dyan eh. Yan na, tapos na. Ano pa inaantay mo? Ano tayo dito magdiditigan? Pwede naman. Dito ka.